All right, everybody. Oh, happy day. So in this video, I want to talk with you about caring in insurance. Telesales or face-to-face, it won't even matter. There's so many times that your feelings can get in the way of what you do, how you operate. And let me tell you, sometimes you want to have a blend of two things. Before we get going, JasonFinalExpense.com. I'm so blessed to partner with some of the most amazing agents across this nation to sell things like Medicare insurance and life insurance face-to-face, but more importantly, in the telespace in my national agency. If you need any help, reach out. I'll help you in any way I can. But let me share with you, so many times as an insurance agent, you're like, oh, you're losing it, right? You get into a position where your emotions get the best of you. You've got to care, okay? You cannot be in a position where you're like, you know what? I don't give a, like my shirt says, right? This is a position where you've got to have a blend of caring, but then it's sometimes detaching yourself from the rejection that will follow. You've got to be careful to, first off, detach yourself from the rejection. They're not rejecting you, they're rejecting the product. Sometimes you've got to detach that, and when it happens, you got to be like caring and kind and compassionate, be professional, be ready to go. But you've got to detach yourself from the emotional process that sales with insurance can be sometimes, but you cannot be in a position where you're like, you know what, I don't care. I don't care. If your client knows that you don't care or feels that you don't care, you're not going to be in a position to help them and capitalize on the true opportunity. So yes, you've got to be in a position where you don't give a rat's tail end, but you've got to be in a position where you are powerfully helping them, okay? You've got to be focused on them without letting it crush your spirit, okay? So you've got to be in this place where, you know what, when the outcome doesn't go the way you wanted it to, don't be crushing your spirit, okay, yourself, your enthusiasm, because it's easy to do. You go on the face-to-face appointments and you're like, knock, 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 go to, and they shut the door and you're like, ugh. In that position, you'd be like, you know what? It's a numbers game. Trust the numbers, go to the next one, and in that position, be professional, be kind, but be in a position where you don't give a in that house, okay? You just detach yourself emotionally and then go to the next sale. But when you're in front of a consumer, you cannot care more than they do, and that's where you care so much about them, helping them, serving them. But if they don't care, you've got to detach yourself because you cannot care more than they do. If not, it will crush you through the process. So you can't care more than your client cares about their problem. And in that situation, you've got to get up and just head on out because there's nothing you can do. You cannot help someone that doesn't truly want help. So be in a position to be emotionally charged, be ready to help them, serve them with the products that you have, but don't be in a position where it crushes you or crushes your spirit. You cannot get on the phone all day and you're going to get told no. You're going to get told next. Okay, this will take place, but you've got to be in a zone, okay? You got to be in a zone where you're compassionate, you're professional, you're kind, but you're in a position that you detach yourself from the no's. When the no's happen, it's not you. They just don't want your product maybe at this time. Be very kind. Leave that door open. Don't be slamming doors shut. But certain agents, let me tell you, you've got to be in a position where you truly detach, like my shirt says, and then move on to the next person that needs you. People need you. They need what you bring. They need the value of your offerings. But don't be crushed. Understand you're going to get told no with insurance more times than you can blink. It's going to happen. Reality of what we do. But stay kind, stay compassionate, stay passionate about serving them. But when they don't care, understand you need to go to the next home, go to the next call for somebody that really wants what you've got to offer because people do need you. They want you. Stay in the game. Don't get crushed in spirit. Don't get crushed in your technique. Don't change how you operate. You cannot, okay, give a rat's tail and then start changing how you help consumers. If you change your fundamentals, you're going to fundamentally have some problems, I promise you. So keep your fundamentals strong, keep your head strong, and your heart in the right place. You can never care more than your clients care about their own problems. So help them, serve them, but keep your fundamentals tight, keep your fundamentals right so that you can have the best chance of success. Hope this helps you. Have a great day. Have a better tomorrow. The weekend's here. I know you're ready. I appreciate you watching. Hope this helps. Have an amazing day. If you need help, reach out. JasonFinalExpense.com.